Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. If you are new to the channel, you are highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to this channel and let's get right into the question we have on the board. Now today's question is actually a matrix. It says if P is a 2 by 2 matrix containing the elements 5, 3, 2, and 1, and a matrix Q is also another 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns containing the elements 4, 2, 3, and 5. The question says we should find 2p plus what q. Our solution to this problem is, remember we have 2p plus what q, okay? So what does 2p means? 2p means 2 times what p. So we have 2 times p plus q. Now 2 is going to multiply this matrix. So that's a scalar product. So we have 2 multiply, we have 5, 3, 2, and 1. Now we have plus the matrix Q, which is 4, 2, 3, and what 5. Okay. Now let's see what this gives us. So all we need to solve is this. Now for the product, the scalar product, we have 2 is going to multiply 5, so I have 2 times what 5. 2 is going to multiply 2, so I have 2 times 2. 2 is going to multiply 3, so we have 2 times what 3. And 2 is going to multiply 1, so we have 2 times what 1. So plus, we have Q as 4, 3, 2, and 5. Okay? So let's multiply what we have here in this bracket to see what we are going to get. So we have it as 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 we have 6, and 2 times 1 is what 2. So plus, we have our 4, 3, 2, and 5. Okay, so all we need to do is we are going to add this to matrix. All we have to do is, now 10 is going to add what 4. Okay, now remember they are the same position, so we have 10 and 4 at the same position. So we have this as row 1 column 1. So this is row 1 column 1. So we have 10 plus what 4. Okay. Now 6 is going to add what 2. So we have 6 plus what 2. 4 plus what 3. So we have 4 plus what 3. Okay. And we have 2 plus what 5. So we have 2 plus 5. The sum of these is now going to give us what? 10 plus 4 is 14. 3 plus 4 plus 3 is going to give us 7. 6 plus 2 is going to give us what? 8. And 2 plus 5 is going to give us what? 7. So our solution to this problem is a 2 by 2 matrix containing the elements 14, 8, 7, and 7. So that gives us the solution to this simple problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm going to see you guys in my next one.